Very important book, Doctrine of Messiah, a book which shows a connection between science and Kabbalah through Torah code. So this was written by me. And you will see definitely in this book a lot of important ideas about Torah code. And I'll give you an example of a page in this book. But before, let us see what is in the back of the book Doctrine of Messiah and the Torah codes, Kabbalah and Science, includes various tables that relate to different and various topics. Some of them they also did with Professor Rips of the Hebrew University of Jerusalem and with Professor Robert Taralik of the University of New York, which is Render Center University, and with Dr. Alexander Rothenberg. Other tables in the books are from other scientists, as is mentioned in the book. The book includes Professor Robert Taralik's explanation of the ELS, which is equal letter sequence phenomenon. Also includes the words of leading rabbis regarding the importance of the subject being a convincing proof that Torah is from heaven. A large section of the book speaks of the connection between Torah codes to the 50th gate of understanding, which, according to Kabbalistic tradition, will be revealed at the coming of the Messiah. So too is explained in the connection of the Torah codes to the hidden light. So this is a book, one can get it in Amazon.com, in my site, GlazersonBooks.com, and to read it in Kindles. So very important. Now this is one of the pages from this book, The Doctrine of Messiah. Now what you see in this table is the following. In this table appears the same word, the same as previous table, which is just as we see. So what was in the previous was there the word in Hebrew, Iru beveru. They will see clearly, or they will see hidden light, or safun. So not hidden light, it is Iru beveru, softens safun, hidden code in my Torah. Amazing. Now this was from the year 5736, when Professor Maralik and Doron Wissing heard about it and made the research about it. And then definitely it came out. Now what you see in this table is the following. In this table appears the same word, the same as previous table, which was before Yiru beveru, we see clearly, with the additional word yesh. There is with the Sofen Chabui hidden code. The sentence is finished with the verse Vaymikat Shnatayim Yim, and it was in the end of 2 days, 2 years, which, as we will see later, indicate to the end of the days. The end of days above exists to appear a few times the date of 5736, and the appearance of Messiah also. This you have in the previous table. So in this table, as you see, unbelievable, you have on top 50. Yeah, all of this appears in one book, Genesis, and also in 2 chapters, 40 and 41. Very significant. And this is a connection to the Kabbalah, because 50 are 50 gates of understanding, which is the highest level of knowledge, and this will be revealed through the codes. So amazing that you see here the sentence, Iru beveru, that we see clearly, Sofen Chabui, hidden code in the Torah, appearing 50, which indicates that the discovery of this really has to do with the 50 gates of understanding. So as I said, very interesting book. One can get it, GlazersonBooks.com or AmazonBooks.com, or to read it in Kindles. So, as I said, very interesting because most of the tables really are very significant and very important messages you have in them.